Hi there. Today we're checking out the best kitchen gadgets of 2019 with a focus on gadgets that will save you time but won't set you back a lot of money. I bet at least one of these will make your time spent in the kitchen a lot easier. Let's get into it. Up first, we have a really ingenious gadget that is bound to impress. This is the easiest way to hull strawberries, which is a task I'm sure all of you have encountered many times. It can be a real chore, but this tool makes it easy. It's a super easy technique. All you have to do is press the button, insert into the berry, release, twist, and voila, you have a perfectly hulled strawberry. This gadget can save you hours, especially if you're doing a large quantity of berries. Oh, and by the way, it's only $7.95 on Amazon. It has a 4.5 star rating and about 3,000 reviews. You can check it out at the link below. Before we get to our second product, take a second to let us know what your favorite kitchen gadget is and why in the comments below. Up next, we have something that will solve a problem we have all struggled with. It's a better plastic wrap dispenser that will make applying that sticky wrap very easy. Not only does it look kind of cool, the simplicity of the design is the best part. With minimal moving pieces, you get a clean cut every time. Protecting your food will be a breeze with this dispenser. At just $16.99 with a 4.5 star rating and over 300 reviews, you know it's a quality item. You can check it out at the link below. Let's take a look at this next kitchen gadget, which will help you store those awkward items in the fridge. These silicone stretchy lids can cover anything, from jars to cups, to being used directly on fruits and vegetables. In this example, we're covering a cup with this stretchy lid, but it can really be used on anything. Our favorite use is covering items like melons and cucumbers directly, so they don't spoil in the fridge. You can snag a set of these for just $10.99. They have a 4.5 star rating and over 750 reviews. The link is below. Every single one of you already has this next product in your kitchen, and I bet many of you have run into issues with it in the past. This gadget is a top-of-the-line salt and pepper grinder, and while it may not look like much, sometimes simple is better. While it won't blow your mind, this gadget will improve your salting and your peppering experience. It creates a consistent grind pattern, and it's easy to spin, easy to use, quick to clean. It can be set to a variety of different sizes, from fine to coarse. It's very useful, and I know you're all going to like it. You can pick one of these up for $29.99, making it one of the more pricey items on our list, but trust me, it's worth it. It has a 4.5 star rating and over 1,600 reviews. The link is in the description below. The final item of this video is next, but don't worry, we have plenty more videos with gadgets and the best products in the world, so subscribe to stay tuned for those. Our last item is a super fast, super convenient cordless kettle. This is actually one of the most popular items on Amazon, and there's a reason for that. This cordless kettle is a high quality design. It's BPA free, it has a blue light aesthetic, and that makes it practical and pretty. It's fast, it's safe, and it's hassle free. So enjoy yourself a cup of tea and start your day right. You can get one of these for only $21.99, which makes it a steal compared to some of the more expensive kettles out there. It has a 4-star rating and a staggering 5,500 reviews. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to join the community, where we'll be checking out all the best products around the world. Do you have a favorite product you just can't live without? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, ciao friends.